Hi everyone, it's Jeanette from Jewelry by Jeanette, and thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the beads that I just got from Bead Box Bargains. I'm not an affiliate yet, but I might be soon. I'm thinking about it. But I ordered some really adorable beads from their website, and I thought I would unbox them for you. We can do it together. So just take it out of the bubble wrap here. It also came in a padded envelope, nice and securely packed. So these are all the goodies that I got. Oh wow, these are even prettier than they looked on the website. So these are just absolutely gorgeous. I will tell you the name of this strand. These are faceted, and let me see, these would be I think these are the Lagoon Mix, the 8x6 Lagoon Mix faceted rondelle crystals. Really, really beautiful. Look at those colors. Remind me of the beach. Can't wait to make some summer jewelry with these. And actually, I'm not sure if those were the, let me see, are those the 8? These are, the first ones I showed you were the 6x4. They're 6x4 rondelles. These are the 8x6 rondelles. Oh my gosh, again, these are beautiful. So much prettier than they even looked on the website, and they were really pretty on the website. So these are 8x6, and these are, I believe, the vintage mix. Just stunning. I love them. And these, I think, will be great for making fall jewelry, maybe Halloween, but not restricted to Halloween. This is a lovely mix as well. So these are, again, I think these are the 6x4, and these are, let me see, the campfire mix, I believe. Yes, the orange campfire mix. So pretty. Oh, and here, these, I couldn't wait to see these in person. So these are these ceramic turtles, and these are in the aqua color. I believe the sea turtles, I think, yeah, these are sea green and they're porcelain. So sea green sea turtles in the porcelain. And I think, let me just do these next, because more turtles, yep. And you know what? These are the green, and those were the aqua. So I'm unboxing these live, so please pardon me if I get a little mixed up here. These are the green, and these other ones here are the aqua. So cute. 4 to a bag. Get a jump start on my summer jewelry, right? Really pretty Preciosa garnet crystals. Lovely. These are 6mm. Now these are even bigger than I thought they were. These are chandelier findings. Let me give you the name for these. These are called chandelier, okay, floral filigree chevron chandelier links in silver, 28x42mm, and you get 6 in a pack. And I had planned to use these for earrings. Now, I could make some really large statement earrings with these, but I think I'm gonna use these for pendants. I think they would be really pretty. I can see these beads hanging off this pendant, making a really nice focal point. So pretty. So you get 6 of these. And let's see what's next. Oh, these, I've seen these called mermaid glass. They also go by different names, but they are calling these, let me see here, moonstone, in quotation marks, moonstone. So they're moonstone-like glass round beads in aqua AB finish. So these are just gorgeous. I hope you can see the way they flash. Just gorgeous. And I believe, yes, these are 8mm. So they're nice and big. Just stunning. Put these off to the side. And next. Oh, a little freebie. Nice. Little, these look like little gold crimp beads. Very nice. They always send a little freebie as a thank you. So that's really nice. Those would be really useful. And here's the smaller version of this strand here. I think, yeah, I think they are. Yep. So this, let me see, this should be the 6x4. Yeah, these are the 6x4 in the Shoreline mix. Gorgeous. I'll put them next to the matching strand. This is another strand here. Oh, these are going to make such beautiful winter jewelry. They have the icy blues and the frosted white and the clear and some pale pink. Just gorgeous. This strand is called, let me see, give me one moment. So this is the 4x3mm crystal faceted rondelle pretty pastels mix. And if I haven't mentioned it, these strands are approximately 15.5 inches. So it's a nice length for a strand of beads. The prices are fantastic. And we've got another separate bag in here. Ooh, what have we got here? So I ordered, apparently, did I order two? I guess I did. Yes, I did. I ordered two of the 8x6mm crystal faceted rondelle beads in the Lagoon mix. So I'll only open one. They're the same. Oh, these are so pretty. And I really hope that you can see the sparkle on these crystals. So I got 2 strands of those. All right, so this was my order for this month from Bead Box Bargains. I hope you enjoyed seeing me unbox these lovely beads. And I will be sure to share my project videos using some of these beads as well. So thanks for joining me today. Again, my name is Jeanette from Jewelry by Jeanette. Please check out my other videos and my channel. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. And I really appreciate all of you for joining me today. And stay tuned for the Henry Cam. He's super adorable and a real ham. Bye now. Hi, Henry. Are you wagging your tail again? Are you happy? Are you a happy boy? I see it. I see that tail. You are a happy boy. Say hi to everybody. Say hello. I know you just want to take your nap. Okay, I'll let you take your nap now.